Creating a carpooling application is an excellent idea if you want to increase your revenue and profit. Not only will you earn more money, but you'll also gain customer loyalty. The ride-sharing and carpooling business has grown rapidly, with companies like Uber and Lyft leading the way. Currently, there are more than 75 million riders worldwide. Developing a carpooling app can help you stand out in this competitive industry. Carpooling apps offer numerous benefits. They reduce travel costs, save time, and provide easy access to comfortable commutes. These apps also help reduce pollution by encouraging shared rides. According to projections, carpooling apps will generate a revenue growth of 15.9% in 2023 and could reach 120 million users by 2028. Investing in carpooling app development is a smart move for businesses looking to tap into this booming market. A successful carpooling app must include essential features for both drivers and passengers. For drivers, features like login, user profiles, accept or reject requests, travel information, and integrated navigation are crucial. Passengers need features like easy sign-up, ride booking, real-time tracking, and payment options. These features ensure a smooth and efficient experience for all users. Additionally, incorporating environmentally friendly options like electric vehicles can further enhance the app's appeal. When developing a carpooling app, focus on building trust within the community. The carpooling system is a peer-to-peer mechanism that allows travelers to share rides. A safe platform with verified riders and drivers is essential. Hiring experienced developers can help you create a robust app that meets your requirements. Ensure that your app includes all necessary features and functions to provide a seamless experience for users. Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for developing a successful carpooling app. Conduct thorough research to identify your competitors and their weaknesses. Online reviews can provide insights into customer sentiments and areas for improvement. By addressing these gaps, you can create a unique selling proposition, USP, that sets your app apart. Incorporate features that your competitors lack and focus on providing a superior customer experience. A customer-centric approach is vital for the success of your carpooling app. Ensure that the app is easy to use and offers excellent customer service. Features like feedback and complaint options, rating and reviewing rides, and timely responses to customer queries can enhance user satisfaction. Introduce marketing campaigns through the app, such as discounts on special days and free rides, to attract and retain customers. Before launching your app on a large scale, conduct limited trials in one city. Gather feedback from users and refine the app based on their input. Focus on the accuracy of GPS, timeliness, and comfort of travelers. Once you have perfected the app, gradually expand your service to other cities. This approach ensures that your app is well received and meets the needs of users. Developing a carpooling app offers numerous benefits for businesses and consumers alike. It helps reduce travel costs, saves time, and promotes environmentally friendly transportation. By focusing on essential features, conducting thorough market research, and adopting a customer-centric approach, you can create a successful carpooling app that stands out in the competitive market. Invest in carpooling app development today and reap the rewards.